Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well. This is our second lesson for mandolin. I hope everybody's had a chance to watch the video that I sent last week. I don't believe I've gotten any emails from anybody specifically from the mandolin class, but please do get in touch if you ever need anything or need any help with anything. And so far we have worked on shortening bread in the pines, and then recently we started working on Lazy John, and last week I did go over Soldier's Joy a little bit. So there's like 4 tunes for you to work on. I'm not going to introduce any more new tunes yet, because I'm sure, or pretty sure, that most of you are still working on these. Look back to that video from last week to review how to play them, but I want to make sure that y'all are doing good with your chords. So you know G now pretty well. D. And C. A. Either this way, or even better, play it like this. And then let's see what other. Oh yeah, and then within the pines, we got E. And B7. If there's, I feel like maybe I need to reiterate playing the B7 chord, which is first finger, 3rd strings, 1st fret, second finger, 2nd strings, 3rd fret, 1st fret there, 2nd fret, sorry, it's 1st finger, 3rd strings, 1st fret, 2nd finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret, 2 2 2, and then 3rd finger on the 4th strings on the 4th fret. So it's 4 4 and 2 2. That might help you remember. And then back to E. So make sure that you've got those chords down. Let's spend a minute talking about the chop chords. Let's see, what would work good for that? Remember, we talked about how to do a chop. So you kind of just play it for like a half a second, and then your palm will mute it. So there's something for you to work on. And then E, A. So there is something for you to work on. Remember, we were talking about exercise to help you get used to playing individual notes and individual strings, starting on the 4th string and pick down, open, up 1st fret, down 2nd fret, up 3rd fret, then keep going, down on the 3rd strings, up 1st fret, down 2nd fret, up 3rd fret, 2nd string open, towards you 1st, down 2nd, up 3rd, open 1st, down, or up 1st fret, down 2nd fret, up 3rd fret, and then you go backwards. Always going back and forth with your pick. Try to get faster at it. Always making sure that you're going back and forth. Doesn't sound great, but it's going to help you get like your dexterity and your coordination between your left hand, your right hand, and what you're doing with the instrument. It's very important that you practice this. I encourage you all to do this with your melodies. When you get to playing something a little bit harder like Soldier's Joy, it's going to become a lot more apparent how important this is. Can't tell you how important that is with mandolin. Of course, anybody that's not using a pick, it's pretty much impossible to really get much sound out of a mandolin without using a pick. It's one of those instruments, like you can get away without using a pick on guitar, but with mandolin you're really going to need a pick. And then I talked about using a pick that's like kind of big and square, or well, not square, but rectangular. That's kind of thick. You know, a little thin pick, I mean, to me anyway, isn't much help. And then I've always kind of got it at an angle so it floats across the string, like kind of at an angle to the string. The string's going this way, the pick's kind of like going like that, so you don't get caught. If you keep it square, it slows you down. That is a lot of what I think you need to work on. I'd like getting input from anybody about how they're doing and how they're progressing with what we've done. Moving forward, you know, I'd like to know, you know, if you could make comments on the videos, for instance, you know, I'll see those. That'd be an easy way, even easier than taking the time to email me. You know, be like, well, you know, this would help, or what does this mean? You know, if you do have questions, that'd be a lot of help for me, and probably be easier for everybody if we went about it that way. So keep that in mind. You know, when you're watching a YouTube video, you can comment on it. Also remember that there's settings in YouTube videos where you can slow down the melody, specifically like the ones where I'm introducing a new tune. If you have trouble with that, YouTube it. YouTube how to use the features of the YouTube video if you're having trouble with it, or just Google it. Or if you need help, I could write it out for you if you're having any trouble with that. But you can slow things down, but they stay in pitch. The tune will stay the same, and if it's too fast for you, I've tried to play them pretty slow already, but if it weren't necessary, it's cool just to know how that works. If you went out on your own and you found a video on YouTube where, you know, like, I want to learn this song, and you found somebody that was playing it on mandolin, but they're playing it kind of up to speed, and I've done that before, so I can learn tunes. That would be, you know, a good thing to know how to do. So anyway, I hope everybody's doing well, and please let me know anything that you need help with. And I'm sorry I can't be there with you in person, but hopefully this is being helpful. I've at least seen that there's some views on YouTube. You can see how many views your videos have had, so that is my one indication that some people have watched them. So please be interactive with me, and help me help you. And I hope I've done some things to help you this week, and please stay in touch. And I hope y'all are doing well. And I'll talk to you next week or sooner. Just get in touch anytime. Thank you.